Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can use Facebook. So for using Facebook you just need to go to the facebook.com and here you also need to create your new account. So here you just need to enter your first name, here to enter your last name, here mobile phone or email. Here you need to enter your password for your account. Here you must choose your birthday, just clicking here and choose months. Here you choose day of your birthday and here you choose year of your birthday. Here you need to choose your gender, and after you enter this, you just click sign up. After you click sign up, you will create your new Facebook account. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.